love our little secret reading hideout, Mother.
It is quite windy today, but we will be safe in here. This pillow has seen many stories, so we must mend it with care. It will be much more comfortable for our reading time now, won't it? I chose the blue fabric for the ocean adventure story, Mother.
That is a perfect choice. It matches the cover of your book.
Drink slowly. It will warm you up against the cold wind outside.
The honey makes it taste just like sunshine. Thank you, Mother. The hero climbed the mountain and finally saw the secret forest.
What did he see in the forest, does the story say? I will turn up the lamp so you can see the words more clearly.
Thank you. The pages are getting a bit dark to read.
Of course, dear.
And then the magic map started to glow in his hands.
I wonder where the map was going to lead him next. Have some more honey milk. It will help keep your voice strong for reading. It is the best thing to drink while reading, truly.
Look at this drawing. The hero is entering the hidden mountain cave.
It looks very deep and mysterious indeed. Continue reading, please. Are you tired from all that adventurous reading today? Just a little, but it was such a great day, Mother. Let's tidy up our little reading corner before we sleep.
Okay, I will fold the bookmark back into the book. I wonder if the hero will find the golden treasure tomorrow.
We will find out together when we continue reading tomorrow night. Good night, sweet Pippa. Rest well now.
Good night, Mother. Thank you for the cozy reading time. Good morning, Mother. Did you sleep well?
Yes, the morning breeze is very refreshing, isn't it? We should keep everything tidy for our reading later today. I will help you fold the edges of the blanket neatly. The oil is almost out. We should refill it for tonight. Will it be ready before the sun goes down again? I really love how the adventure begins in this chapter. Every great journey starts with a brave decision, Pippa. The wind has calmed down a little outside. It is a peaceful afternoon, perfect for another chapter. The brave explorer stepped onto the bridge made of ropes. Go on, what did the bridge look like? Your reading has improved so much these past few days.
It is just because the stories are so good.
Who is a good little explorer today? You are, Toby Paw. He really enjoys our quiet reading time, too. Do you think the clouds really look like giant dragons? If you imagine hard enough, I think they do. And the sun went down, casting its last light on the path. It matches our view perfectly right now, doesn't it?
I don't want this chapter to ever end.
The best part of stories is that they are always there to revisit. Now we have our little lamp to keep the shadows away.
It makes the tent feel so much safer.
With a loud thump, the chest of gold was finally revealed. What a wonderful discovery for the hero! And so they all lived happily ever after in the hidden forest. A perfect ending to such a beautiful adventure. You are a wonderful reader, my sweet girl.
Thank you, Mother, for letting me read to you.
Another morning of reading, or perhaps we should go for a walk. Let's tidy up first, then we can decide together. We had such a wonderful time in our reading nook. Yes, we will surely come back here again soon.
Ha ha!